Let's start with a hard question. Why is it so easy to care about everyone else, but so difficult to care about yourself? You encourage people, you listen, you make space for their mistakes, but when you mess up, you don't offer understanding, you offer criticism. You replay moments you wish you could erase. You measure your life against highlight reels. You judge yourself for not being further ahead. Somewhere along the way, you learn that compassion is for others, and pressure is for you. Here's something most people never realize. Self-love has nothing to do with ego. It's not about thinking you're better than anyone else. And it's not pretending your flaws don't exist. Self-love is what happens after the confidence fades. It's the way you treat yourself when you're tired, disappointed, or unsure. It's the private conversations you have with yourself, not the version of you the world sees. Think about how you treat someone you care about. When they struggle, you don't reduce them to their worst moment. You don't tell them they're behind in life. You don't remind them of every mistake they've made. You remind them that they're human. So why do you refuse to give yourself that same humanity? Here's the truth. Most people don't actually dislike themselves. They're just carrying shame that was meant to be temporary and turned it into a life sentence. The version of you that made bad decisions was navigating pain, confusion, or survival. That wasn't failure. That was adaptation. And surviving difficult seasons doesn't make you weak, it makes you experienced. Self-love begins when you stop trying to erase your past and start extracting wisdom from it. It's choosing rest without guilt. It's letting progress be imperfect. It's realizing that growth doesn't always look impressive. Sometimes growth looks like saying no. Sometimes it looks like walking away. Sometimes it looks like slowing down when the world tells you to rush. You don't have to fix everything to be worthy. You don't have to reach some future version of yourself to deserve respect. Your value is not something you unlock later. It exists now. Self-love is building boundaries even when people don't like them. It's protecting your energy instead of explaining yourself. It's choosing alignment over approval. And yes, it can feel uncomfortable. Sometimes it even feels isolating. But nothing is more damaging than constantly betraying yourself to belong. So make this decision today. Speak to yourself with honesty, not cruelty. Give yourself time instead of deadlines. Treat your peace like it's essential, because it is. The world will always have opinions about who you should become. Self-love is deciding you can grow without hating who you are right now. Because the most important relationship you'll ever invest in is the one you carry everywhere you go, and it deserves your commitment. If you enjoyed this, like the video and subscribe for more insights into the human mind.